hands remember what the world forgets. They remember the shape of a vessel, the tension of a thread, the echo of a tool against material, the repetition. We return to craft not for the object itself, but to reconnect with ourselves, to carve out moments of quiet. And so, our hands find the quiet rhythm of work. Our hands speak the language of those who came long before us, drawing us back to what is ancient and essential. It is through them that we carry the heartbeat of what it means to be human.